Hey guys, in this short video I will show you how to install a trigger pack made by Ascalon Arms on your Scorpion Evo 3. First of all, make sure you have an empty chamber and leave the bolt open. Press out the retaining pin and remove the lower receiver. Now, loosen the trigger pack screw using the included 3mm Allen key. The screw is usually hard to loosen, so use a screwdriver to gain some leverage. Switch your safety levers to fire position and unscrew the set screw with the 1.5mm Allen key, which is also included in the package. Then remove the safety lever and take out the safety shaft. Now remove the original trigger pack, screw out the improved trigger pack screw on the Ascalon Arms trigger pack and insert the pack into the lower receiver. Please be careful when placing the trigger pack. If you bend this metal bracket, the trigger might not function properly. Lightly screw in the trigger pack screw just to hold it in place. Then reinsert the safety shaft and the safety lever and screw back the set screw. Now you can tighten the trigger pack screw properly. Finally, reattach the lower receiver and you're done. And on behalf of the CZ Parts team, I wish you happy shooting.